if you're not saving your vegetable peels and such like that for soup stock, you better start. You can keep them in the freezer bag, in the freezer for as long as you need. Just toss into a pot with some water and you can start making stock right then and there. Wash your vegetables, especially your mushrooms, because they're grown in poop. To keep them from being soaking wet, just pat them dry with a paper towel. They come out great. Don't forget to stir your chicken. Quick note, I did add more butter to my onions and mushrooms because they looked like they were going to start burning, and I didn't want that, and this will make them nice and caramelized.